Hey, this is Karen, and I'm the creator of CarouselBot, and we are going to look at how we can create a carousel in maybe about 5 minutes or so from a blog post URL. So I write a newsletter on Substack, and I'm going to go ahead and grab this article, go back to CarouselBot, and now we're going to create new. So I will paste that article right here. It's maybe about 2,000 words, and it's been pulled in, and then I'm going to skip the writing style box for the purposes of this demo. We'll stick to 6 slides, which is a good LinkedIn length, although we can take it all the way up to 20. And let's see if we can get back to 6. And in terms of the template, what is nice, let's see, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to go with the Emerald template, and I'm going to go ahead and what the heck will include an AI generated image. So now I'm going to select continue, and this will take maybe about 20 seconds for the 6 slides, and then it'll take another maybe 20 seconds or so to create the AI generated image. Alright, so here we've got it. We have a carousel all set up right here, and you can see we've even got my branding on it. So we're going to scroll through here and give it a sanity check. And this is all looking pretty nice. If we want to take a closer look at this diagram, we can choose this, and then we can take a look at the full-size diagram, which I think is pretty coherent and works with the content. And so we'll close this out and move this little video control, but there we go. Okay, now I can move this because we had the Screen Studio controller in the way. So here we can get back to the end, and here we'll head back to the first page. As an extra bonus, if we want, we can actually have a cute image on the front. Maybe we can go for a background, and if we're lazy, we can have AI generate a prompt. So this is what Claude thinks the image should be, and then let me scroll down here, and now we are going to generate an image with a model called Recraft, which will process. This will take about maybe 15 to 20 seconds. Alright, so let's take a look at our background image. I think this is pretty nice considering the subject matter of the article. So we'll go ahead and we'll save our changes. And again, we'll just scroll on through. And I think we have a pretty respectable carousel. Of course, there's lots more editing you can do, but again, we wanted to get this done fast. And then here we have the option to download. We can download as a PDF, a standard set of PNGs, or a set of JPEGs. So anyway, that is all. I hope you enjoyed this quick demo of CarouselBot, and if you want to check it out, it's at CarouselBot.app, and we have made it. I think it's 4 minutes on the clock, so we definitely made it under 5. Thank you very much.